Welcome to the Growth Lab podcast, where we talk about how to get more clients, find new business opportunities, and win more cleaning contracts. I'm your host, Matt Harris, and I run the Growth Lab, a sales and business development consultancy for commercial cleaning businesses. I'm trying to help 1,000 cleaning business owners scale to 7 figures and documenting my journey along the way. Now, let's get into it. This is going to be a very short presentation about the benefits of collecting reviews, the platforms you need to collect reviews on, some templates that you can use to collect reviews, and why you should always be responding to reviews. I've had a look at probably about 100 plus cleaning business websites. The majority of them collect reviews. I think it was something like 67%. There were a proportion that didn't, but let me why you need to collect customer reviews for your cleaning business and the best way to get them. So I've analyzed the digital profile of 100 plus cleaning businesses. 27% didn't collect any reviews, and as a result, they will struggle to win customers and grow. Now, there were a handful of outliers with 50 plus reviews. I think one cleaning business had 88 reviews, another had something like 122 reviews, but these were the exception and not the rule. Having looked at all the reviews cleaning businesses collect, the majority of them struggled with two things: not having enough positive reviews and having an imbalance of reviews, so collecting reviews across a number of different platforms. Only a handful of cleaning businesses that I looked at had negative reviews, and those negative reviews mainly focused on customer service and the actual quality of cleaning. Now, as a service-based business, as cleaning businesses are, getting online reviews should be your bread and butter for lead generation. 82% of consumers consult online reviews for local small businesses, of which yours will be one. Reviews are 2 times more likely to be a factor in customers choosing a local small business over loyalty, and 7 times more important over traditional marketing, flyers, advertising, that type of stuff. 87% of people say that the quality of the cleaning service is the most important when looking at online reviews for service-based businesses, and 78% say that cost is important as well. And improving your review star rating by 1.5 could equal to 13,000 more leads. Now, that's obviously if you have reviews of 3 and below. If you're currently at 4.5 and above, then you're in a pretty good space, and I'll come on to that later. Essentially, your customers want to share their opinion. Your customers, clients, they want to share their opinions. All you have to do to get them to leave you a review is to give them a nudge. Feedback that I had was that when you do remind customers to leave a review, 76% of those asked will actually leave a review, which is pretty encouraging. Now, the platform that you need to focus on for your cleaning business in terms of collecting reviews is Google. People will use Google for search, and it makes sense to collect reviews on that platform for your cleaning businesses because those reviews will show up in the search. Now, Google Business Profile reviews improve your local search ranking, and it's because Google trusts your customers more than it trusts you. So when customers leave reviews, it tells Google that you're a legit operation and one that can help future searchers on Google make a decision. Google also likes to read. Google's got Googlebox, and they will crawl over websites, crawl over, third-party sites, so anywhere where your reviews are left. So reviews on your website provide Google with content and with keywords to help Google understand your business, which ultimately adds to the SEO value of your cleaning business as well. It helps boost your search ranking. And great reviews equals more stars, equals more clicks, which ultimately equals more leads and more opportunities to close, whether it's contracts or end of tenancy cleans or new domestic cleans, whatever the case may be. Reviews play a big part in click-through rates. People trust reviews. Higher ratings encourage clicks, which help boost the ranking of your cleaning business. Google should be your number one destination for collecting reviews. For new cleaning businesses, 5 positive reviews can be enough to engage more customers. Fewer than 5 isn't really going to be very effective. Research shows that customers read an average of 10 reviews before trusting a business, and to engage with customers on a regular basis to generate trust and to generate more clicks, you need to have at least 20 Google reviews on your Google Business Profile, which gives customers confidence that enough people have tried your service and are satisfied with it. Also, as an extension of reviews on Google Business, it helps you to achieve your star rating. You need to have at least 5 reviews for a star rating to show up in searches. The one thing that you need to bear in mind is that having a perfect 5-star rating isn't needed. Neither is it beneficial for your business. No well-established business that's been trading for a long time is going to have a perfect 5-star rating. There's going to be some unhappy customers, but the key to this is, it allows you to prove your customer service and your follow-up in terms of resolving problems. Businesses ranking on the first page of Google's local search results generally have an average of a 4.4 rating in terms of stars. If you're above that, great. If you're below that, then you need to put in a little bit more effort to boost your ranking and boost your star rating, and that comes as a result of collecting more reviews. What's the best review site for your cleaning business? As I've mentioned, having a Google business profile should be your number one destination. Trustpilot is a good second option. As you can hear, there's a list of 7 sites: Google Business, Trustpilot, Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Which, and Angie's List, which are generally the most used review sites for cleaning businesses. As I said, one thing is clear: you need to be on Google. Without a Google business profile, you're severely restricting your ability to attract new customers and to grow your cleaning business. Trustpilot is a good second option, only because it is a business that Google is in partnerships with, so any reviews left on Trust will be used by Google in their search results. That means Trustpilot reviews will help your local search ranking. If you do have a commercial cleaning business in particular, Trustpilot is a good second option behind your Google business profile. And the reason we would suggest having a Trustpilot account if you have a commercial cleaning business is some of your clients may not have a Gmail account or Google business account. So it's good to have that second option for those that don't. Facebook obviously is the biggest social media platform. So collecting reviews on Facebook helps your cleaning business to be discovered on the platform. However, Facebook is really more beneficial for domestic cleaning businesses, end of tenancy cleaning businesses, carpet cleaning, window cleaning, oven cleaning, those types of businesses. And that's the sort of feedback that I've had after reviewing 100 plus cleaning businesses and where they collect their reviews. If you do provide those services, having Facebook as your second option for a review site is a good call. So how do you get more reviews? The most popular methods that I've seen cleaning businesses use include in-person requests, over-the-phone requests, text messages, emails, social media, leave behinds, and on an invoice. And I've actually generated some templates that you can use if you don't currently collect reviews, or if you want to collect more reviews, which you can access by clicking the link in the slide deck. So you can access the slide deck by clicking the link in the video description, download the slide deck, then click on this slide, click on the link there, and it will take you directly to the templates that you can have a look, copy and paste, and use them within your. Now, I mentioned at the start that you should be responding to reviews that are left for your cleaning businesses, because responding to reviews helps to strengthen the brand of your business and boost customer engagement. It shows that you value your clients, your customers' feedback, and it helps you build trust with repeat and prospective customers. It helps you reach and convert new customers, and it also allows you to find opportunities to improve your customer experience. This is definitely relevant where you have negative reviews. As we all know, negative reviews can affect our online reputation and could potentially turn away prospective customers who find your business through local search. Responding to negative reviews in particular will show that you make efforts to resolve customer service for unhappy customers. You appreciate customer feedback and value customer loyalty, and you also understand and are able to manage the online reputation of your cleaning business. When you do receive a negative review, it's important that you provide a prompt response, and it's also an opportunity for you to improve your cleaning service and your customer experience, because a negative review highlights where improvements need to be made. Take those as good feedback and make the relevant changes within your business. So the key takeaways: collecting reviews is a key element to building your cleaning business, generating leads for your cleaning business. Reviews drive leads, they boost search ranking and validate the reputation of your cleaning business. Also, with a high quantity and quality of reviews across a number of platforms, but primarily Google, can increase your lead rate and your lead close rate by up to 50%. And as I mentioned, collecting reviews on Google should be your number one priority. Make sure that you do respond to reviews as well, whether positive or negative, because this helps to build the reputation and trust of your cleaning business with potential customers. If you are thinking whether or not you currently collect enough reviews for your cleaning business, I think a good next step would be to review your review collection process. What platform are you collecting reviews on? Which platforms are actually the best for your cleaning business? And we've run through a few options in this slide deck. How are you currently collecting reviews? Maybe you need to tweak that process. And are you responding to reviews? Maybe you need to implement a process in that respect. Building a review process will help you generate more leads to help grow your cleaning business. And this is something that we can help you do at the Growth Lab, online reputation management. So we can help you build a review collection process. We can help boost your reviews and the visibility of your reviews online to help boost your SEO ranking, in addition to generating leads for your cleaning business, whether that's through LinkedIn or cold email, and also using social media marketing to generate leads. So if you're interested, by all means, get in touch. There's a link below, thegrowth-lab.com. Book a free consultation and we'll take it from there. Thanks to you guys for listening to the Growth Lab podcast. You can access the show notes and resources via the link in the episode description. And if you got some value from this podcast, please pay it forward and share it with others across social media, or leave a rating and review on whatever podcast platform you listen to. Hope you enjoy and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.